sometimes numbers alone cannot tell us the full story. Imagine you are trying to understand why a child stops participating in class, or why a group of university students feel anxious during laboratory time, or even how pilots describe stress during flight simulations. You can measure attendance, exam scores, or performance data, but those numbers will never fully explain the experience behind the behavior. This is where qualitative research becomes powerful. It helps you explore the human side of a situation, the part that cannot be counted or graphed. It gives you insight into meaning, emotion, motivation, and experience. Qualitative research is a way of studying people by listening to their experiences, observing their behavior, and understanding how they make sense of the world. It focuses on meaning, not measurement. If quantitative research shows you the pattern, qualitative research shows you the story behind the pattern. You ask people about their feelings, their views, their choices, their challenges, or their memories. You hear their perspective in their own words, which creates a deeper, richer understanding. You will find it everywhere humans are involved. It is commonly used in education, psychology, sociology, social work, early childhood studies, health and well-being. Any field that cares about human interaction, decision-making, behavior, emotions, or perception uses qualitative research. Let's say you want to understand why some students avoid asking questions in a university lecture. A quantitative study might tell you that only 30% of students participate. That number is useful, but it does not explain why. A qualitative study lets you speak to students, hear their stories, and understand their feelings. You might learn that some feel judged, some feel shy, some worry about language, and others fear slowing the class down. The reasons are emotional, human, and personal. Only qualitative research can reveal that depth. Key features of qualitative research: 1. Open-ended. Participants speak freely. There are no fixed answer choices. You explore their experiences in their own words. 2. Flexible. You can follow interesting ideas as they appear. The study grows naturally as you learn more. 3. Descriptive. Instead of numbers, you describe feelings, behaviors, and meanings. 4. Meaning-focused. Meaning refers to how someone understands a situation. Two people might experience the same event but interpret it completely differently. Qualitative research explores those differences. Qualitative research matters because humans are complex. Feelings, backgrounds, culture, identity, motivation, and environment all influence behavior. Qualitative research helps you understand people deeply, hear real voices, capture emotions, notice hidden patterns, explore experiences that numbers cannot show, connect human stories to real-world decisions. It brings a warm, human understanding into research, which is especially valuable in fields like education, psychology, neuroscience, and even engineering, where human factors are involved.